Okay, so we're back in my CRZ. After a little discussion on the forums, I come up with some other things to look at while we try our high RPM tests with the CRZ. So if I can keep this in focus, basically what we're looking for is, there we go, on the top left where it says L141, that is the 12 volt system battery. So that is the 12 volt battery, and it's 14.1 volts right now. So that's how that works. The next line is temperatures. So those aren't 100%, those aren't really important at the moment. Below that then on the left hand side is what we're looking at, V and M. Right now it says 112, 113. That is the voltage for the battery for V, and the voltage at the motor for M, 115 volts. So that's what we're looking at. And basically we're gonna see when I take the engine up above 7,000 RPM, that voltage motor is gonna climb above 180 volts. And it's going to throw that error on the dash. And also we're going to see on the top left that the 12 volt system voltage drops out. It's going to go down to like 11 or 12 volts. So that's what we'll do now. I'll take it up down to second gear and we'll start accelerating. 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. Okay, so we have a check charging system on the dash, same as before. And now we can see that the voltage at the motor is 197 and the voltage at the battery is 114, and our 12 volt battery is down to 11.4. Now here is the interesting thing. We have this charge error. As long as the motor is up here, 4,000 or 5,000 RPM, we're gonna have this error. And we're gonna see as the voltage drops down, we drop down to 103 volts there, and the error's gone. And we're linked back up to the battery. Now, the battery and the motor are the same voltage. So basically what's happening is that the motor is now producing over 200 volts or thereabouts when it's up at that high RPM, and that's causing a cascading error where things are shutting down due to that high voltage, and then it remains in that error state until you bring the motor voltage down to where it can recouple to the battery safely. So that's, I guess, what's going on now. So that's what I know. I'll throw the ball back into the public's court, and maybe some people can toss around a couple more ideas about what we can adjust. It would be interesting if somebody who has a lithium, a factory lithium CRZ, and the ability to tune the ECU, what happens if you take your car above 7,000 RPM, because the lithium cars have a few components that are rated for higher voltage. So anyway, thanks for watching. That's what I know. See you later. Bye.